Hi, my name is Frank Callis, and I'm one of the owners of Engage Machinery, along with my partner Larry Chandonnet. That gentle hum you hear is from the hydraulic motor on our 10-foot, 14-gauge hydraulic shear, the Razor. The machine is designed to be able to cut 14 gauge up through 30 gauge and drop the material to the back of the machine. It's most frequently used in HVAC or mechanical shops. We also make the Razor in a 10-foot 10 gauge, extraordinarily affordable, about the most inexpensive machine in that range on the market. And we also make 4-foot versions, 6-foot, whatever the customer needs, we can make it for them. The machine's very simple. Basically has a massive solid frame here. Okay. Comes standard with the taper gauge, so you can actually set a taper if you want to cut parts to the correct taper. So I just move that to whatever angle I want, set the first part, look over in the machine to see if I've lined it up correctly, and then set the angle, and I can do it repeatedly. Here is another taper gauge. You can also use this one right here as a squaring gauge on the front side of the machine. The machine can have squaring arms put on either left or the right side, either one. It comes in inches and centimeters for those of us in Canada who might need it in centimeters. The machine has a pneumatic sheet support on the back side that supports up to a 24-inch piece of material and drops it onto a rolling wagon on the back side. Really easy to use. Basically, you crank the back gauge. We have to step around the machine. That makes us one of the differences between this and our Scorpion. Scorpion drops material to the front, whereas the Razor drops material to the back. So you've got to step around to the back side of the Razor to run it. Now I'm going to actuate the foot pedal. Okay. So you hear the hydraulics engage. If you watch right here, you'll be able to see that it comes down, clamps on the material a second before it shears. Okay. Really easy to use machine. Engineered up inside here are polyurethane hold downs. It looks like you could reach in and actually touch the blade, but you can't. If you reach in here, there are plexiglass covers that keep you from being able to touch the shear, which means you're not going to get your fingers hurt. Nobody's going to become injured on the machine. The machine can do about 28 strokes a minute, so if I were just to hold the foot pedal down, it's going to go right back at it. Okay. Okay. Really easy to use machine. All the electrics are available in the U.S. off the shelf from Engage Machinery. We do the electric. The frame is built overseas. We build the pneumatic sheet support. So about 60% of the value of this machine is built in America, and portions of the frame are built in Asia for us.